Today, Michelle and I came down to this Bala restaurant because we were hoping to have a banana leaf, like a thali, but they've stopped it. They don't do it. And I said, well, will you have it later in the week? And they said, no, it'll be at least a couple of months. So we're not going to have this now. We're going to go a little bit further up the road. There's a place here called Chelo's, sweet Appam. And I want to test it because everyone keeps telling me it's delicious. So come on, let's go.
Honey, honey, honey.
Man, this place, little dark alleyway, you'd never find it. Unless someone said to you, you'd never find it.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? I'm good. Almost like an egg hopper. And what is this one?
This one, Kesari.
Kesari.
Yes.
So, Kesari. It's sweet, yes?
Sweet, yeah.
This lady is very famous for her appam. My friend Anne said, come here, the appam is very good. Can I have one?
Yeah,
Please?
nice.
Ah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can I have a banana? Pisang? Pisang. Ah, yeah. What is best?
What the best?
What's the best?
Yeah.
Banana or?
Banana wrapper. That's the one.
What's that? Ah, sugar. So in goes the dark sugar. Okay, I'm out here in the kitchen with this lovely lady. She's so sweet. She's showing me how she's making the appam. I'm going for a sweet banana appam. We've had the savoury today, so I want something sweet. I've also got some of this this orange. She told me the name just now. I forgot it. Tell me down in the comments what the name is. It's also sweet. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Terima kasih. Sama-sama. Thank you. Bye-bye. So here is the banana appam, the famed banana appam. Also, I've got this little orange sweet dessert. I think it looks like a sort of semolina or something. I really have no idea what this is. Let's get and give it a little try. So it has the texture of semolina and the color as if it's got maybe turmeric sweets in there. I'm expecting something really sweet. If it's savory, it'll surprise me. Anyway, here goes. Oh, that is so good. I'm trying to remember what this lady called it, but this is sweet cardamom. I'm trying to think what this reminds me of. It's almost like a gulab jamun or maybe a rasgulla, but it's not. There used to be a dish. I know it as siro or siro. It's very similar to this, but this is heaven. If you haven't had this, you've got to try it. There's cashew, but it's also buttery. It melts in your mouth. Oh, Michelle's going to love this one. I'm going to save some of this for Michelle because the texture is almost granular. At least if I get some down my shirt, it won't stain. I just asked the ladies because I've got to know, and we'll get it wrong. Kesari, and it is, the sweetness they're saying is just from raisins and cashews. There's definitely some jaggery or sweetness in here. This is so good. Back down to this appam. So I'm really not sure what to expect. It looks a little bit like a hopper, like an egg hopper, but this is with sweet bananas in. You know, I've got a sweet tooth. Let's try this. Oh, that is so good. There's a fermented taste in the batter. It's definitely fermented. And then the sweet bananas, and there's some jaggery or some sugar paste that's in here. The bananas are delicious. This place is just up a little alleyway off the street. You wouldn't even know it was here. 10 out of 10 as far as I'm concerned. This is a place you should visit if you're in Bangsar. Come here and check out it's Chelo's Appam, Chelo's sweet Appam. Very, very good. So you can see the batter there is not fully cooked through, but it's red hot. That is so good. I mean, it's a combination of sort of savoury, almost like a yeast. You can taste that yeast, a bit like a baker's yeast. And then the sweet bananas. This is fantastic. I'm going to try a different appam. I'm going to get something different because I believe she does several different appams. Okay, I've ordered some Vadai. They're like a little savoury donut with some, like a coconut chutney. So this is the Vadai. If these are good, and I can feel actually just by touching them, they're nice and airy. Perfect. And I've got some of this coconut chutney here. So this is like a little savoury donut. It's probably got curry leaves inside it, but let's just try it and see. Well, that's perfect. That is perfect. And the chutney is really spicy, really hot. So now I've got an open end to that donut. The idea is that you get lots of the chutney on there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. She came over to take my photograph for our memories. This is perfect. It's light. It's not too heavy. It's just the way I like my Vadai. Wait a minute. If it wasn't the fact that we're going to be trying lots of food in the area, I'd have 5 or 6 of those. They're one of my favourite. Actually, I might get some takeaway. Yes, I'll get some takeaway from here. Now, I know Rick said to me, don't drink too much of this tea, it's full of calories. But while I'm out, I'm going to indulge. Ooh, that's almost a masala tea. I'm sure that's got some herbs in it. Delicious. And I've also got to thank Anne Skelchi, who recommended this place to me. So Anne, thank you from the bottom of our heart, Michelle. Love these sort of places. Come over here, because I want one of these. These are I'm not even going to ask the lady, I'm just going to take one. I'm stealing now, Michelle. This little ball is full of fried gram. I'll just break it open. So it's a chickpea, and this also goes well with this lovely spicy chutney. Now my friends are left, so I can't ask the name of this one. Somebody tell me in the comments. Let's go. Wow, that surprised me. That's actually got a sweetness to it. So there's some sugar in there for sure. So good. But I'm surprised that's sweet. I thought that was going to be a lot spicier. I probably picked one of the desserts and had it with my chutney, but it works. So who's counting? This place is a real find. Now, I'm sure locals know about it, but I'm sure people outside the area don't know so much about this place. I highly recommend. The flavors here, a lot of sweet dishes, but savory dishes also. But the flavors here are just amazing. And the ladies that are cooking out the back, they're so engaging, so friendly. I may have said a few too many times already, but Chelo's Appam, I highly recommend. There's my coconut one, beautiful. Oh, thank you, thank you. Terima kasih. Look at this. So this is the coconut Appam. It seems to have, I think this is probably coconut milk. So this is just plain Appam with coconut, but look, I think the coconut itself, oh, that is hot, hot, hot. Let me just break this up. So we've got this wonderful Appam, which is, as we've established, it's a fermented batter. It smells yeasty, really yeasty, and it's piping hot. Look at the aeration in the lovely little bubbles. It's like a light, fluffy, fermented pancake. Let me try it without the sauce. Just go in first without the sauce. Oh, man. That is so delicious. I mean, coconut and fermented batter. You can't go wrong. I'm trying to think what it tastes like. It tastes like something that I can't remember. So I'm guessing this is either coconut cream or coconut milk. think it's coconut milk. Mmm. Sweet coconut cream. I think I'm going to need to get a spoon and isolate these two sauces. So this one here, that is a sweetened coconut milk for sure. And this one here, I'm pretty sure this is the same. Yeah, sweet, delicious coconut milk. Have a look at this. If I just break the fat, you can see underneath there's the coconut milk. It's got the fat floating on the top. When I say fat, I'm talking about the coconut cream. Now, I don't want to waste all this, so what I'm going to do is take this milk and I'm just going to spoon it over the appam. Use pretty much all of it. And then I get that soggy appam, which is now dripping in coconut milk and sugar and sweetness. And fermented batter. That is heaven. So, so good. Now this one, I've got all the crusty, sort of caramelized edges of the appam. That is amazing. And as far as I know, these are only 3 ringgit, which is a complete steal. I shouldn't say that really. I never normally say that, but that's a great experience for an Australian dollar. Thank you. Okay, so this is actually the stall, number 6. Number 6 here is actually, it's the same restaurant, but we've been to the inside stall. So if you want, I'm sure a lot of people also prefer to come here and sit outside. I imagine in the evening time this is rocking, but in the daytime this is really hot. So the restaurant that we've been to is just around that corner. So we're a bit early, yes? So I thought we were coming down here just to get this sweet appam, but there's so much food here. We're going to have to come down another day and do a whole video. We'll come back. Let's make this a short video today, just showing the coconut appam and the banana appam, which I think is outstanding. And we'll come back to this Bangsar area and do a more complete video. Michelle and I are going to do a little reconnaissance around and check out what else is here, because everyone we meet keeps saying, we'll just go to this corner and try this and go to this corner and try that. I'm so excited to be here. This is awesome. So in the meantime, enjoy this shorter video, the coconut appam, and we'll see you in the next video. Be good. What time do you start normally?
12 and 7.
7, yes?
Yes.
So the lady here is making putu piring. Beautiful little sweet dessert. What is this flour?
Rice flour?
Yes.
Rice flour?
Just rice flour, yeah? Rice flour and then
Palm sugar?
palm sugar with spices or?
No, sweet.
Just palm sugar, yes?
Then coconut.
And coconut also. And then the steam comes up through these little holes here. So this here has got water inside boiling under the gas, and the steam comes up and cooks the little putu piring. They are delicious. So that's something we're going to be having. They're not actually serving for another couple of hours, so we've come too early, but not to worry. And look, down here, the hawkers, they're setting up. All the coals, the charcoals are going. I'm not sure what this guy will be doing. I think. Yes, he's doing pedal ayam. Also, he's doing the chicken wings also. Beautiful chicken wings. And this guy here, hello. Oh, what are you making? Ah, banana fritters. Banana fritters. Wow, look, so he's dipping the bananas in the beautiful batter straight into the fat. If I hadn't just had a load of banana, I'd grab some of those. Anyway, we're coming back. We'll enjoy it when we come back. The sun is on.